Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a very beautiful kite. Start by gathering your essential materials. You'll need lightweight fabric like ripstop nylon or thin plastic sheeting for the sail, ensuring it's durable. For the frame, select strong, flexible spars such as bamboo or fiberglass rods, typically 3 to 5 millimeters in diameter. Don't forget a sturdy flying line, about 100 to 200 feet long. Finally, pick vibrant colors and patterns to make your... Next, let's design the sail. Begin by sketching your desired kite shape on paper, focusing on symmetry for stable flight. Once satisfied, transfer this design onto your fabric, remembering to add a 1-inch seam allowance around all edges. Carefully cut out the sail pieces with sharp scissors to ensure clean lines. For extra strength, reinforce all edges with strong adhesive tape or by stitching a narrow hem. This step is crucial for a beautiful and long-lasting kite. For more advanced and dynamic headers, Generate press elements are incredibly powerful. Go to Appearance, then Elements, and click Add New to select a header element. Even more flexibility comes with block elements, allowing you to design your header using the full power of Generate blocks. This enables you to craft intricate layouts with dynamic content. You can then set display rules to apply your custom header across your entire site, or only on specific pages, posts, or categories, offering immense control. For the final touches, personalize your kite. Add colorful ribbons, streamers, or even paint intricate designs on the sail to enhance its beauty. Once decorated, securely attach your flying line to the bridle point. When you're ready, find an open area with a gentle breeze, ideally between 5 and 10 miles per hour. Launch your kite carefully, making small adjustments to the bridle as needed to achieve a stable and truly beautiful flight.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.